Hi, I'm Carol Arp, and I would like to talk to you for a few minutes about my experience with Dr. Bernard and having my partial knee replacement. I had a real bad fall in the first of last year and hurt my leg real bad. I already had a problem with my knee, and I feel like that's what caused my fall. And but after that, I knew that it was time to seriously think about getting my knee replaced. So I went to CSMO and saw one of the doctors there, and he referred me to Dr. Bernard, and he told me that he thought probably I could have a partial knee replacement. While I was in the hospital after the surgery, I did have to get up and walk up and down the hall, and of course that was really, really hard, but I did do it. And then I stayed in the hospital probably about 2 nights, and after that I came home, and my son came and stayed with me for nearly a week, and my daughter lives here, so she was here to help also. And but he made me do my exercises the way I was supposed to, and I eventually got so I could actually do them without having to be prompted too much. You know, you just have to accept any help that anybody offers, and it makes things a whole lot easier for you when you go through something like this. I had my surgery, and I had a really good experience, and all the nurses and all the personnel at the hospital were so nice and just were so complimentary about Dr. Bernard and what a good job he always did with his patients. And I was just real happy with the way everything turned out.